Friends, hello everyone. I am happy to welcome you on our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can hide posts in Facebook application from your subscribers. Friends, please don't forget to put likes under the video. Be sure to write your comments and subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's get to our topic. And first of all, please open the Facebook app on your phone. After that, you will need to open your profile and go to your page. Now I'm going to show you from the very beginning. So when you open Facebook and you get to the main page, you need to go to your page. After that, let's say you find a post that you would like to hide from people for whatever reason. Let me tell you right away that when you hide such a post, it won't be seen by the people you've built or your subscribers, and it won't be seen by you either. If you are satisfied with this option, then you're above your post. You need to click on the three dots and select Move to Archive here. Wait literally a couple of seconds for this action to take place. You can refresh your Facebook page for reliability. And now you can see that this post, it's gone, it's been moved to the archive. So what, friends, to do if suddenly at some point you decide to bring such a post back? Is it possible to do that? Yes, friends, it is possible and very easy. To do this, you will need also on your page, find three dots and click on them. And here you will find a section like Archive at the very top. Click on that. And here, friends, you can easily find all the posts that you have once moved to the archive. And to return one of your posts, you can click on the three dots. And then click Return to Profile. If you have a lot of posts and you want to get them all back, then click All. Select All and then Return. Confirm your action. Wait literally a couple of seconds for everything to load. And as you can see, the post has already disappeared from the archive. Refresh your Facebook, and as you can see, this post is back in my feed. Friends, this is a very simple way to hide your posts in the Facebook app and bring them back if you need to. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to like the video, write your comments, and see you soon.